Imagine opening your closet every morning and instead of feeling overwhelmed, you instantly know what to wear, how to style it, and you actually feel excited to step out the door. That's the dream, right? Well, in today's video, episode 2 of our style journey, I'm going to show you how to mix and match outfits like a real stylist using the power of a capsule wardrobe. This isn't about buying more clothes. It's about making the most of what you already own, creating endless combinations, and building everyday looks that are simple, chic, and confidence-boosting. If you've ever wondered how fashion stylists seem to put outfits together so effortlessly, this episode is your guide. So grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's dive into the secrets of styling smarter, not harder. The first step to mastering the art of mixing and matching is understanding the foundation, your essentials. Think of them as your building blocks. These are the timeless, versatile pieces like a crisp white shirt, a great pair of tailored trousers, a classic blazer, a simple pair of jeans, and a few neutral tops. They don't scream for attention on their own, but together they become the canvas that allows you to create endless looks. When you invest in these essentials, you're giving yourself the freedom to mix in trendier pieces, pops of color, or accessories without losing that polished vibe. Stylists know that it's never about owning hundreds of items. It's about owning the right ones and learning how to combine them. Here's where the fun begins: combinations. For example, let's take that white shirt. On its own, it might feel plain, but tucked into jeans with a belt and layered under a blazer. Instant, effortless chic. Roll up the sleeves, swap the jeans for a midi skirt, and add sneakers. And suddenly, you've got a casual yet put-together weekend look. The same shirt can then be worn open over a tank top with shorts for summer, or layered under a sweater in fall. This is the magic of a capsule wardrobe view, recreating a system where one piece works for multiple outfits, multiplying your options without multiplying your closet. And let me share a little secret. The real trick is in the color palette. If your wardrobe lives mostly in neutrals: black, white, beige, navy, gray, you can practically guarantee everything will work together. Then you add just a few accent colors or prints to keep things interesting. This is exactly what stylists do when they prep looks for clients. They create a mix and match formula that saves time and reduces stress. And speaking of formulas, here's something that will help you elevate your personal style journey even further. In the middle of building your dream capsule wardrobe, you might sometimes feel stuck, especially if you are wondering how to dress for your body type or how to bring more confidence into your outfits. That's why I created my ebook, Style Secrets for Every Body. Dress with confidence at any size. Inside, I break down how to embrace your unique body, highlight your best features, and find joy in fashion no matter your shape. If you've ever felt like styling tips weren't made for you, this book is here to change that. So if you want to take what we're talking about today to the next level, definitely check it out. Leave the link in the description below. Now, back to our mix and match mastery. Another stylist tip is to think in terms of layers. Layers add depth and dimension to even the simplest outfits. For instance, jeans and a t-shirt is the most basic combo, but add a long-line cardigan or a trench coat, throw on a scarf, and suddenly you've got a look that feels styled. Accessories are another game-changer. Belts, jewelry, handbags, and shoes can completely shift the vibe of your outfit. A pair of sneakers keeps things casual, while a pair of heels takes the same look straight into evening. Mixing and matching isn't about reinventing the wheel every time you get dressed. It's about learning how small tweaks can give your outfit a whole new personality. Think of your closet like a puzzle. Every piece should have multiple ways it can connect to others, and when it does, the possibilities feel endless. What I love most about the capsule wardrobe approach is the freedom it gives you. Instead of standing in front of your closet feeling like you have nothing to wear, you'll feel empowered to create. You'll know that your essentials are your reliable backbone, and your combinations are your creativity. It's this balance between structure and freedom that makes personal style so fun. And as we wrap up this episode, I want to leave you with a challenge. Tomorrow, when you get dressed, pick one item from your essentials. Maybe it's that blazer or your favorite pair of jeans. Style it in 3 different ways. Push yourself to experiment. Play with accessories, layer things differently, and watch how many outfits you can create from a single piece. That's how you start thinking like a stylist. If you found today's episode helpful, don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, and join our growing community of style lovers who are ready to simplify their wardrobes while looking incredible every day. And of course, don't miss out on my ebook style secrets for every body. Dress with confidence at any size. It's linked down below and packed with tips to help you embrace your style journey fully. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I can't wait to see you in the next episode where we keep unlocking the secrets of effortless style. Until then, keep mixing, keep matching, and most importantly, keep owning your look with confidence.